Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel और I hope you all had a great New Year celebration and अभी हम जा रहे हैं लाजपत थर्ड वेव से back to our home। सुबह सुबह चलाने में बाइक बहुत मज़ा आता है इन दिल्ली। लाइक बाकी टाइम इट्स नॉट दैट great of an experience because of course traffic बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, but या सुबह सुबह एकदम ठंडा खाली रोड्स, no traffic and लाजपत से वापस फरीदाबाद जाना within 37 minutes is pretty unreal. So yeah. As you can see मिट्टी उड़ रही है। Not sure if it will be captured in the video, but yeah. So ये बाइक में एक प्रॉब्लम है ही कि बहुत बार वो मिट्टी पीछे वाली सीट पे भी उड़ती है whenever there is a slightly wet road and होपफुली। और मैंने अब तक वो एक्सटेंडेड मड गार्ड लगाया नहीं है क्योंकि मैं जब भी शोरूम में जाता हूँ दे डोंट हैव इनफ लाइक पीपल टू वर्क ऑन इट, सो दे ऑलवेज टेल मी लाइक आपको 1 घंटा 2 घंटा रुकना पड़ेगा जस्ट फॉर लाइक 5 to 10 minutes का काम। So I find that very unreasonable and this is definitely something Royal Enfield should work on। and ये चीज़ के बारे में मैंने पहले भी अपने वीडियो में बात किया था कि they don't have the manpower to service all the vehicles that they've been selling, and yeah, it's a huge problem। like आप रोड पे देखोगे हर दूसरी गाड़ी अब रॉयल एनफील्ड की है, बट service centers are like fully packed 365 days of the year। I know what I'm going to say now is going to be a little too harsh, but yeah, Royal Enfield should probably take a break from manufacturing and probably focus on the vehicles that they've already sold, because it becomes very difficult for the owners to get their bike serviced। So yeah, please do work on it। and so आज का टॉपिक रहने वाला है about gratitude practice, because it's been a while since I've touched base on practices like practicing gratitude consciously। So I would like to start the year by suggesting a great practice that I still use। So this one would be about increasing your wealth and gratitude towards the wealth that you already have। So इसका थोड़ा background देता हूँ। Like I've been using this practice from a very long time, and touch wood, I have definitely seen a lot of improvements in my finances overall। and इसके पीछे का कॉन्सेप्ट यही है कि you should be thanking the universe or the gods that you truly believe in। and इसमें बेसिकली आपको जो आपके पास एग्जिस्टिंग पैसा है, वेल्थ है, आपको उसके लिए ग्रैटिट्यूड शो करना पड़ेगा। and to do this what I would suggest you is आप एक कोई भी करेंसी ले लीजिए, 100 रुपीज़, 200 और 500 डिपेंडिंग कि आपके वॉलेट में कौन सा अमाउंट का कैश अवेलेबल है, एंड उस पर आपको एक स्टिकी नोट लगाना है जिसमें आप लिखोगे थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द मनी इन माई लाइफ, आई एम ट्रूली ग्रेटफुल, एंड वो बस स्टिक करना है आपको करेंसी पे। एंड आपको एनी टाइम यू पुल आउट योर वॉलेट, आई नो कि आजकल सब UPI ही करते हैं, इन केस अगर आप UPI पे ज़्यादा डिपेंडेंट हो देन व्हाट आई वुड रेकमेंड यू इज़ कि आप वॉलेट को कॉन्शियसली एटलीस्ट 5 बार आप ओपन करके वो करेंसी को देखो हर रोज़ फॉर अ वीक एटलीस्ट, ताकि वो आपके सबकॉन्शियस में बैठ जाए। सो आपको बस करना ये है कि वो वॉलेट में निकालना है, वॉलेट ओपन करना है, आपको वो करेंसी हाथ में रखना है, एंड you'll just read it out loud, or if you are in a public place and you feel conscious that some people are watching you, then आप बस मन में बोल देना कि thank you for all the money that I have, I'm truly grateful, and फिर आपको वो करेंसी वापस रख के you can just keep your wallet back basically. So इससे क्या होगा, you are sending the message कि you acknowledge that you have wealth in your life, and on the basis of that आप यूनिवर्स को बता रहे हो कि you are grateful for everything that you have, and the universe will reciprocate it in a way कि आपके लाइफ में वो ब्लेसिंग बोल लो या वो ग्रैटिट्यूड को हमेशा ब्लेसिंग के थ्रू ही रेसिप्रोकेट करता है यूनिवर्स। सो उसमें आपको इन रिटर्न और अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलेंगे या और पैसे का फ्लो आएगा आपके लाइफ में। सो बाय पैसे का फ्लो आई डोंट नेसेसरली मीन कि आपके लाइफ में बहुत सारे पैसे आएंगे। इट कुड बी इन वेज कि या तो आपके कहीं पैसे वैसे अटके हो तो यू माइट गेट दैट एफर्टलेसली, और इट कुड बी समथिंग लाइक कि आप कोई चीज़ बहुत टाइम से लेना चाहते हो एंड सडनली उसमें डिस्काउंट आ जाता है एंड यू आर एबल टू अफोर्ड इट, और you are able to buy it in the budget that you wanted it, like house or car, something like that. I have definitely seen this practice work in my life in many ways, and अभी तो मेरे सबकॉन्शियस में इतना strongly बैठ चुका है कि एनी टाइम आई फाइंड समथिंग दैट आई लाइक and I get it within my budget, then I always close my eyes and thank the universe for the product or for the money that comes my way. So yeah, like I can assure you, आप अगर ये practice consciously करोगे and every time you get the opportunity to earn more money, or you get the desired things in your life at a discounted rates or anything like that, you should always thank the universe or the gods that you believe in, taki you know they receive that you are happy and that you are grateful, and that in turn will divert more opportunities in your life in similar ways. So what I've understood about the universe or the laws of the universe is कि आप जो भी चीज़ के लिए ग्रेटफुल रहते हो, जो भी चीज़ के लिए ग्रैटिट्यूड शो करते हो, it always comes back to you 10 times. So even the smallest of things would lead to like much bigger things in your life. Like if you are showing gratitude and appreciation for the things that you have, then the universe will always try and make bigger things possible for you in your life. And I can assure you, like मैं एक real life example हूँ इस चीज़ को लेके, and I always vouch for it. And also like एक और चीज़, the reason why I love to share these things on this channel is क्योंकि it has worked for me. Like I believe it will work for anyone and everyone, because I was a completely believer in all these things, but yeah, the universe has definitely opened my eyes in more than one ways and proved me wrong, and I'm glad that it happened when it happened. So yeah. And also the second point that I want to mention is because अगर मैं आपसे ये चीज़ें शेयर करता हूँ, या if I suggest you some best practices on how to manifest good things in your life, then it doesn't mean कि मेरे लिए कम हो जाएगा. The universe has like abundance of resources and physical wealth for everyone who's here. Like सबके लिए है. There's no end to it. Like no matter how much you get or how much you manifest, it does not affect what I'm going to receive through my manifestation. So along with me, I would like all of you to also experience this in your daily life. So yeah, आज का टॉपिक मेनली वही था. Since we are starting a new year, and I would like everyone to have a prosperous one as well. I have had like I believe I've shared a gratitude practice for your health as well in my previous videos, but I'll give you guys a quick recap. So health and wealth, both of these things like go hand in hand. So if you have good health, you are in a condition to earn more and more wealth. And if you don't have like good health, all of your wealth will go towards your health, betterment of your health. So that's why I say both of them go hand in hand. And also, like if you're in a great mind space, that automatically would allow you to be capable to earn more in your life. So having said that, yeah, health के लिए the best gratitude practice that I would like to suggest would be कि आप एक मेडिटेशन भी नहीं बोलूँगा, आई वुड जस्ट से कि आप अपने ईयरफोन्स लगा ले और कहीं भी सोफ़ा में बैठ के एटलीस्ट 5 मिनट आप बैठ के आपके सर से लेके टोज तक हर एक बॉडी का ऑर्गन और पार्ट्स को आप ऑब्ज़र्व करें. मतलब आंखें बंद करके आप ट्राई टू इमेजिन योर परफेक्ट हैंड्स, परफेक्ट आईज, परफेक्ट नोज़, परफेक्ट ईयर्स, etc. And you can just say thank you for my perfect eyes or something like that, and I'm truly grateful. So जब आप ऐसा करते हैं, like it will hardly take you like 5 minutes, but it sends a very positive message to the universe कि yeah, everything that you have, like your health overall, you are grateful for that, and again universe will reciprocate it in a way कि आपका good health and mind space is like continues to evolve in a positive manner, and you will get more and more opportunities to develop yourself. So this has definitely worked great for me. Like I can share a couple of examples. The most prominent one would be where मुझे बीच में टूथ एक्स बहुत होते थे. सो टूथ एक्स जब होते थे it would like cause me a lot of pain. I remember एक बार हम लोग I guess कसौल गए थे for our anniversary last year I guess, yeah. So कसौल में I suddenly started to have like a severe toothache which I couldn't bear, because toothaches तो आप जानते ही है कि it can't be controlled, like it directly hits your nervous system and brains. So it was an unbearable pain, and so all I did was before sleeping that night, like I took a few painkillers, and before sleeping that night I just thanked the universe for my perfect teeth, and I'm truly grateful that all the pain is gone. And next day सुबह जब उठा, the toothache was actually gone. I mean, I'm sure this might not sound like believable, but trust me, like it happened with me, and even I'm surprised till date that anytime if part of my body aches or anything like that, I always thank the universe and for its perfect condition, and miraculously it has always worked for me. And सिर्फ यही नहीं, like there have been a lot of situations like this particular practice can be used across all aspects of your life. So regardless कोई भी चीज़ हो, let's say मेरी अपने बॉस से नहीं बनती, तो I just manifested a good relationship with my boss just by saying thank you universe for such a kind and amazing boss. I know we have not been in good talking terms, but I'm grateful that everything's resolved. And over a period of 1 week I suddenly saw a lot of improvement, and yes, suddenly all of our like over the period of a few weeks I saw a lot of changes in him, and then over a period of a few months we really became good in a good space, and yeah, I even got promoted after that. So somewhere like even before my eligibility, like he didn't block or caused any problem. In fact, he vouched for my work and everything so that I get promoted. So I truly appreciate that, and yeah, that's how I have used this particular practice. So do definitely try this out in your real life, and you can definitely let me know in the comment section how it has worked for you as well. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.